Hi there everybody, Morgan with Event Answer here, and today I want to show you how to make this balloon Christmas tree. It goes up really quickly and can be customized to any color scheme that you're going to have at your next party. So follow along as I walk you through how to do this. The most important thing you'll need for this project is a balloon sizer box. Now I have a video linked up above to show you how to make this sizer box because we're going to use this to size each of the balloons for the tree, and that's going to give us really consistent sizing for each layer. So I'm going to go ahead and fill up one of the balloons and show you how to use the sizer box first. So you fill it up larger than the size you're trying to achieve, and then you slowly let air out until the balloon just fits through the hole. And then go ahead and tie it off and repeat for all the different balloons you need. So this tree is made up of 5 balloons per layer, except for the very top, which has 3. So I'm going to fill 5 balloons at a time and then tie them together in their groupings so I don't accidentally mix up balloon sizes. So once you have 5 balloons, go ahead and take the first 2 and tie them into a pair, twisting around twice and then tying just a simple knot. You're going to repeat this with 2 more balloons in the same way, so twist it around twice and then make a knot, but to this pair you're going to add the last single balloon, and you're just going to tie a single knot. It doesn't have to be something super special, just make sure that it's attached to the other 2, and then you're going to take your set of 3 and your set of 2 and you're going to twist them together to make one set of 5. Now this will be one layer of the tree, and we're going to repeat this for each of the different sizes of balloons all the way up. And you can see here, when they lay flat, it'll look like a flower. So just set that aside and go ahead and fill up the rest of the balloons. Here is a list of all the balloon sizes you're going to need for each layer of the tree. And once you have each set of 5 made, I encourage you to go ahead and lay it out in how you'll assemble it. Then I'm going to go ahead and inflate 40 of these gold balloons to be the ornaments on my tree. And then for the pièce de résistance, I'm going to fill up this 20-inch gold star to put on the top of my tree. And once you have everything inflated, lay it out really clearly on the floor so it's easy to go ahead and just pick the next set of balloons up and put it together on the tree. To assemble the tree, I'm going to use my DIY balloon base, which I'll have linked above for you, and I've attached a 5-foot piece of PVC pipe. I'm using some lightweight fishing line and a pair of scissors to put all of this together. So I'm going to find the end of the fishing line, and I'm just going to wrap it a couple times around the balloons on the first layer, which is my 10-inch balloons, and that'll just secure it in place so the fishing line won't come loose. And then I'm going to take that first cluster and nestle it right up against the pipe so it's touching the neck of the balloons. And then I'm going to take my second set of balloons, also nestling it against the pipe, and then I'm going to start pressing down on the balloons and organizing them so that they lay flat. If you look down on it, it should look like a 5-petaled flower. And I want to make sure I get these first 2 layers really snug against the floor, because if they're wobbly, it's going to make the following layers really wobbly as well. So once I've got it pressed down snugly, I'm going to take that fishing line and weave it in and out of the balloons pretty tightly, and that will hold the balloons together and they won't pop up and make that little pyramid shape. So I'm going to go around all of the balloons, wrapping it in and out of the 2 layers just to make sure that they're not going to move anywhere. I'm going to grab the next layer and slide it on as well, and this is just so you can see what it looks like from the top, making sure you get those balloons nestled between the balloons below it. It should sit between the 2 balloons below, and that'll give you a nice tight fit. So make sure you're pressing down lightly on the center as you make those first couple wraps with the fishing line. And then you're just going to repeat this process all the way up the tree. To attach the star to the top of the tree, I'm going to take a green 160 balloon that you'd make balloon animals from, and I'm going to tie it to the nozzle of the star right in the middle of that long green balloon, pull it tight, and then I'm going to place the star on top of the tree, nestling between those top 3 balloons, and I'm going to pull on the ends of that 160 really tight and weave it in and out of those top couple layers of balloons. I'm going to do that on both sides and then just tuck the tail down into the depth of the tree and you won't even see it. And plus it'll keep the star in place. So once the star is on, the next is to add the ornaments, which are these golden balloons that are 4 inches, and I'm going to attach those using glue dots. And so about 1 or 2 inches from the nozzle of that gold balloon, I'm just going to stick it on there and then nestle it right between 2 green balloons and set it on top of the lower balloon. And that's what it's attached to, is that lower balloon. As I got higher up the tree putting these ornaments on, I found there wasn't as much space between the green balloons, so I ended up using 2 or 3 glue dots to secure the gold ones in place because I was having to glue dot them to balloons that were beside them to get them to stay where I wanted. I used green and gold balloons for my tree, but you could do any color combination to suit the style of your party. I hope you found today's project inspirational and helpful in putting together one of these for your own party. They're super easy and really customizable for whatever decorations you're wanting to do. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. It lets me know that you're enjoying these kinds of videos and are giving these projects a try. If you'd like to see other projects, check out these videos over here. There's lots of step-by-step tutorials to get you through the holidays and even other balloon projects for everyday events. So I hope you have a great day and I'll see you in the next video.